So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the most actively traded cryptocurrencies here on the Yahoo Finance application. So once you're into the Yahoo Finance app, just go to the bottom and press on Discover or the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here in the top left, equities is selected. Just scroll one beside it and press on cryptocurrency right here. And then where it says most active, discover the most traded cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. Simply just go ahead and press on that right here. And if you were to scroll down, you can view sort of the latest regarding the most actively traded cryptocurrencies here on Yahoo Finance. So some popular ones, right? There's Tether, there's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there's USD Coin, there's Solana, there's Chainlink, there's Jupiter Coin, whatever the case may be. There's Solana, there's Avalanche, whatever the case may be, it is right in front of you. You can sort of see the latest here regarding how it was trading. The most active trades are right here. So as I mentioned before, this is how to view the most actively traded cryptocurrencies or cryptos here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.